Keto, scallop over zucchini, linguine. Go! If frozen, defrost scallops by running them under room temperature water. Use paper towel to pat dry. Season both sides with garlic, sea salt, and pepper. Next, heat olive oil from medium to high heat. Sear on each side for approximately 3 minutes or until golden brown. Hello, gorgeous. Allow to simmer under low heat. Chop the ends off a zucchini and using a zoodler cut into zoodles. Zoodlers are a keto must-have. Trim the zoodles and get back to the scallops. Beautiful. Next, saute garlic until well brown. Don't burn it. Add your zoodles, season with Himalayan sea salt and parsley, and saute for no more than 3 minutes. That's all there is to it. Keto or not, most delicious foods call for the simplest ingredients. I like to add grated Parmesan and thinly sliced cherry tomatoes to brighten up the dish. Mwah! For the full recipe and more, subscribe to Keto Crush on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram at 𝗭𝗲𝗋𝗀𝗀. Keto Crush. Keto Crush. Eat healthy. Look hot.